Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe, doing that thing that I do. I go find drinks, I bring them to you. Today, we're at home. The restaurant is called Home. We're home, and we're in Big Canoe, Georgia. My boy Matt over here is gonna make us a genuine old-fashioned, and you about ready there, my friend?
Yeah, ready to go.
All right, Matt, take it away.
Start off with our tart cherry and saffron old fashioned. Harry Potter. First step, I'm gonna add some Luxardo cherry.
The best.
Yeah, the best cherries you can get. I just use a little bit of the syrup. You can muddle the cherry too if you want. Let's go. Okay. Gonna get a little orange slice. Pretty heavy on the orange slice. Bourbon tonight, doing 1792.
Very nice.
And this is the money maker right here. Tart cherry saffron bitters, 1821 bitters down in Pont City Market.
You don't mess around, Matt.
Don't, dude. Gotta keep it up. Pretty heavy dose of that. A little aromatic for fun. Get that all muddled up nice with orange.
Very nice.
Yeah. And a little bit of simple syrup. Ice. And stir.
Looks amazing.
Yeah. Old fashions definitely are more popular drinks.
Over the garnish.
Over the garnish, over the cherry. Right.
And you've also got the sexy ice cube.
The big cube.
The big cube. This is how they make an old fashioned when you go home in Big Canoe. Oh, that is fantastic, Matt. That is wonderful. To get the recipe, go to pourmanmike.com, and if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan episode, plus some other cool stuff as we roll along. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.